Hi friends, today we're ready for Unit 6, Week 2, Day 2. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to review our sounds. Are you ready? We're just going to say the sounds today. All right, here we go. Sh, ch, w, all, am, an, I, ah, k, a, e, qu, p, d, b, or sometimes it says v. Sh, ch. We went through all of them. So now we're going to review some trick words. Are you ready? Make sure you're reading them with me. Let's see how fast we can go. Here we go. What's this word? You, your, I, they, was, one, said, from, have, do, does, were, are, who, what, when, where, there, here. Great job. We've been talking about words with suffixes, right? And a suffix, when we add the suffix s, it means that it's plural. That means that there's more than one. But some words make it sound like there's a suffix, but there's not. Let's look at one of those words. All right, let's tap this word out. Get those fingers ready. Here we go. Ox, fox. Now we hear the sound at the end of fox, right? But it's not telling me that there's more than one fox. So this one does not have a suffix. All right. Now we're going to build some more words. Let me clear my deck. Here's our next word that we're going to tap out. Get your fingers ready. I hope they're warmed up because we're going to be tapping out a lot of words today. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Dog, dog, dogs. We need to be able to mark it up. Do you know what I would mark up first? That's right, my base word. What's my base word? Dog. So I underline dog. Very good. All right, what do I need to mark up next? I need to circle the suffix s. So I'm going to circle my suffix s. There's one more thing that I need to do to this word to mark it up. Do you remember what it is? That's right. I need to put if the S is the S sound or the Z sound. All right, let's see. Dogs. What sound did you hear at the end? I heard the Z sound. So I would draw my two lines and my Z in between. Very good. All right, let's do another word. Here's my next word. Let's tap it. Cat. Great job. Now, does this word have a suffix? It doesn't. What if I do this? Now, does it have a suffix? It does. Let's retap it. Are you ready? At, cat, cats. Okay, how would I mark up this word? The first thing that I would do is I would mark up my base word. What's my base word? My base word is cat. All right, so I need to underline cat. It's my base word. The next thing I need to do is I need to what? Circle my suffix s, because there is more than one cat. There's cats, that's plural. All right, there's another thing I need to do. I need to put the S or the Z above that S. We need to figure out what sound does that S make at the end? Cats. I heard the S sound, so I'm going to put an S. Great job. Let's build another word. I'm going to see if I can trick you on this one. All right, fingers up. Egg, pig, pigs. What do I need to do to mark this word up? Let's see. The first thing I need to do is I need to underline my base word. What's my base word? My base word is pig. So I underline pig. Next, I need to circle my suffix s. And we need to figure out, what does that s say? Pigs. I heard the z sound, so I'm going to draw my two lines and put a z in between, because that s says the z sound. Great job. All right, here's another one. Okay, let's tap it. App, nap, naps. How am I going to mark this word up? The first thing I'm going to do is underline my what? My base word. What is my base word? My base word is nap. Very good. What is my suffix? My suffix is s, so I circle my suffix s. And the last thing that we need to figure out is, what does that s say at the end? Naps. I heard the s sound at the end, so I know that I need to put a line, an s, and a line, because this s says the s sound. All right, great job. Now we're going to do one more, and I am going to see if I can trick you, because I think that I can. I really do. All right, let's see. I need to look at that word. Do you see something that I did wrong? What did I do wrong? I used the wrong S. I can't use this S for a suffix. I have to use my bright yellow S for my suffix. All right, let's tap it. Are you ready? At, hat, hats. All right, what do I need to do to mark it up? What is my base word? My base word is hat. I need to underline hat, because hat is my base word. What is my suffix? My suffix is s. So I circle my suffix. We need to figure out, what does that S say? Let's see. Hats. It says the S sound. So I need to make my line an S and my line. It looks like a 5. I didn't do too good on that S, did I? All right, because it says the S sound. Very good. All right. Now, today we have a new word of the day. So I'm going to build our word of the day. And then we're going to mark it up. Are you ready? Now, I'm going to give you a hint. We did some of this yesterday. All right, let's see. We've tapped this word out before. All right, let's tap it. Are you ready? Shell, shell, shells. I want to see what I can mark up. Now today I'm going to mark up my diagraphs and my bonus letters. All right, so let's look for diagraphs first. Do we have a diagraph in shells? We do. SH is the diagraph. So I need to underline SH. Great job. All right, do we have any bonus letters? We do. We have LL. Now, L still gets doubled because it's the end of a word, right? The S just means there's more than one. So it'll still be a word without the S. So it still gets doubled. And we put a star above our bonus letters. All right, now, do we have a base word? What's our base word? Our base word is shell. So I underline shell. And the last few things that we need to do is with our suffix. I have a suffix S, so I'm going to circle my suffix S. Shells. And what sound did that S make? The Z sound, right? So I'm going to put my line, a Z, and a line because that S says the Z sound. Shells. Let's see. Can you think of a sentence using the word shells? Go ahead and say it out loud. Here's mine. I have a lot of shells. Right? Shells means I have more than one. That is plural. You did such a great job today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.